Good morning, Leo. Are you ready for today's adventure?
Good morning, Miss Lily. Yes, you said we're shopping today. I love shopping.
That's right, Leo. Today, we'll learn how to use English words at the supermarket. We'll discover what each item is called and how to ask for things politely. Ready to fill our basket?
Oh, yes, Miss Lily, let's go shopping.
Perfect. Let's start with the basics. When you enter a store, what do you say?
Maybe hello?
Exactly. You can say hello or good morning. And if you need help, you can ask, "Excuse me, can you help me, please?"
Excuse me? Can you help me, please? That sounds polite.
Yes, being polite is always important, Leo. Now, let's grab a shopping basket. Can you say that?
Shopping basket.
Wonderful! Now, what do we need first? Maybe some fruit?
Oh, yes, I love fruit. I want apples and bananas.
Great choice! Apples and bananas are both fruits. Repeat after me. I would like some apples, please.
I would like some apples, please.
Perfect! Now, how about vegetables?
Maybe carrots and tomatoes?
Excellent! Carrots and tomatoes are vegetables. So you can say, "Can I have some carrots, please?"
Can I have some carrots, please? Wow, that's easy.
It is! Now let's move to the dairy section. Do you know what dairy means?
Is it something we drink?
Good guess! Dairy means food made from milk. Things like milk, cheese, and yogurt.
Oh, I love cheese. I want some cheese, please.
That's perfect English, Leo. But remember, we can make it even more polite. I would like some cheese, please.
I would like some cheese, please. Got it.
Wonderful. Now let's check our shopping list. What's next?
I think we need bread.
Yes, bread is very important. You can say, "Where can I find the bread?"
Where can I find the bread?
Exactly. And if you need eggs, how do you ask?
Where can I find the eggs?
Brilliant, Leo. You're becoming a natural speaker.
Thank you, Miss Lily.
Now, Leo, let's go to the checkout. Do you know what that means?
Checkout. Maybe where we pay?
Correct. The checkout is where you pay for your items. When the cashier says the total, you can answer, "Here you go," or "Thank you."
Here you go? That sounds fun to say.
Yes, and after paying, you can say, "Have a nice day."
Have a nice day.
Beautiful. That's how you make shopping in English fun and polite.
Miss Lily, can we review all the new words?
Of course. Let's go over them together. Repeat after me. Shopping basket, fruit, apple, banana, vegetable, carrot, tomato, milk, cheese, yogurt, bread, eggs, checkout.
Shopping basket, fruit, apple, banana, vegetable, carrot, tomato, milk, cheese, yogurt, bread, eggs, checkout.
Excellent pronunciation.
Miss Lily, I learned so much today. I can't wait to go shopping and speak in English.
I'm so proud of you, Leo. Next time you go with your parents, try using these words. Say, "Can I have some apples, please?" And "Thank you."
I will. Thank you, Miss Lily.
You're very welcome, Leo. And remember, kids, learning English can be as easy as shopping for your favorite snacks.
Hee hee! That's the best kind of English lesson.
That's right. And for everyone listening, don't forget to practice at home. Try naming everything in your kitchen in English: milk, bread, fruit, and more.
And tell us in the comments what your favorite food word is in English.
Yes! See you next time, my little stars.
Bye, Miss Millie. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.